Hey friends, do you love coffee? So today we are gonna make coffee from coffee beans. Here I am using the coffee beans from Blue Tokai brand and I am using whole coffee beans of Vienna roast. It is dark roast and I will make coffee without any French press or coffee grinding machine. We'll make coffee with all the ingredients available in your home. So I'm gonna put 4 spoons of coffee beans in a grinding jar directly. Here we are going to make coffee for 3%, that is 3 cup. We will make a coarse grind, not very smooth, and I will grind that coffee for 15 seconds. Please do not grind the coffee beans for more than 30 seconds, otherwise it will become very smooth and you will lose some aroma. We are making coffee from coffee beans instead of instant coffee because of its rich taste and aroma. So now I am putting a saucepan in the gas stove and I will pour 1.5 cup of water in it. Let the water come to boil and add the ground coffee beans into the water. Take all the ground coffee beans from your grinder bowl and add into the water. Give a very good mix so that all our ground coffee beans get soaked in the hot water. Cover the saucepan with a lid and put up the flame. Wait for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, you can prepare your milk. Here I am preparing the fourth of the milk by the Desi method, that is the pouring the milk from some little height so that bubble will form above the milk, and I will continue the process for 2 to 3 minutes so that a thick bubble or fourth. Now check the coffee concoction. It is giving excellent aroma and you can see that it has become dark in color. Now on the flame only for 10 to 15 seconds just to warm up the coffee concoction, and keep the fourth making process of the milk. You can see a very good fourth has come. Just continue this process, otherwise. Now put sugar of your taste in your cup. Here I am adding like half spoon of sugar. If you so health conscious, then you can remove the sugar with jaggery powder also. And now with the help of a strainer, just strain the coffee concoction. I am filling 1/4 of the cup with the concoction. If you want a very strong coffee, you can add more concoction, or if you like a lighter one, you can even use less of this coffee concoction. So here almost we are done. I will give a good mix so that the sugar will dissolve fully in the concoction. Now just one thing left, that is adding milk in the coffee. Here I am adding the milk. Just the same procedure I am repeating, that is pouring the milk from a little height so that bubble can form over the milk. As you can see, I am not using any machine or something, so you can make it very easily in your home. The benefit of coffee beans over instant coffee is it has a very rich aroma, that is unmatched aroma over your instant coffee. Instant coffee can't give this rich taste and aroma. So here it is done. Please try this in your home. I think you will love it. Actually, you will love it. And the next and the last cup is left. I am also filling that with milk. Please give a try. This is very easy. Anyone can make it. And the most beautiful part is you will not need anything like French press or coffee machine or anything, and you will get a world class coffee. Please make it in your home and enjoy your coffee. কি হলো?